I started my journey before 3 months. That time, my
Oh,
daughter was 4 months. And I started my
oh,
journey. That time, I was not feeling good. And that I was not facing camera. First time, I was facing camera. That time, I was feeling very nervous. How should I talk? How should I make conversation? And
yes.
conversation I started before 1 month and 15 days. Before that, I
Okay.
make alone that how to learn sentence etc. Yeah, but now I have improved by conversation. I have seen changes. Conversation
Yeah,
is because
you speak
yes.
really well.
So
Start your
in
journey.
initially days, I faced a lot of problem. That time I was not able to speak. Little bit I can
Okay.
could speak only 1 minute or 2 minutes just. But now I can
Okay.
speak 20 to 30 minutes without stopping. Now I have this much
Oh,
confidence I got. But that time, if
okay.
someone comes in front of me, I could not speak. But now I don't
Okay.
care about those people. Good afternoon. How are you doing?
Good. Yeah. Good afternoon. I don't know why it's happening. Okay, good. Yes, good afternoon. I'm good. What about you?
I'm also good, fit as a fiddle, and thank you for asking. So, when did you start your journey?
I start my journey maybe 2 or 3 months before, 4 to 5 months before. Yes.
Okay, so where did you start? Which platform did you choose first?
Yeah, I took subscription for English CRE, and nowadays I'm also taking classes. Yes.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
and
Classes
that
are
is paid.
classes are very good. Yes.
Yes, that is paid. That's why. Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. Yes.
Okay, so we are talking first time, as you know that. Will you introduce about yourself a little bit?
Of course. Why not? My name is Ruby. I am from Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. I have done my graduation and post graduation also. And these days I am working on improving my English communication skill with the help
You
of
have
some
done
platforms.
post graduation, but you are
Yes.
looking like a child.
Oh
Yeah,
my God. Yeah, I have done
you are
post
looking like
graduation
you
in
are only 18 or 19, approx. Yeah,
okay. And
yeah.
beard also. I have done beard
Oh, you have done.
last week.
Yeah.
Yes.
Some people we cannot recognize age. Yeah,
Oh,
it
okay.
happens.
Yes. Yeah, yes. So tell me about your journey. I watch your videos on your channel.
Okay. I started my journey before 3 months. That time, my
Oh,
daughter was 4 months. And I started my
oh,
journey. That time, I was not feeling good. And that I was not facing camera. First time, I was facing camera. That time, I was feeling very nervous. How should I talk? How should I make conversation? And
yes.
conversation I started before 1 month and 15 days. Before that, I make
Okay.
alone that how to learn sentence etc. Yeah, but now I have improved by conversation. I have seen changes. Conversation
Yeah,
is because
you speak
yes,
really well. Yes.
yes. And nowadays, we are approaching with different people. By that, we are getting something, and we are removing our hesitation. It is good
Oh,
way
yes.
for
Yeah,
learning
yeah, it is
English.
good way. Yes.
Yeah. And now I
Yes,
am introducing about myself. I am,
yes, of course.
yes, my name is Jyoti. I live in Agra. I have a daughter that is 7 months. And I, I have done my graduation and I am homemaker as well as YouTuber also. I started my journey, that 3 months ago.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
about me.
And how is your daughter?
She is also very nice and very cute. And nowadays she is making a lots of noise and now she is
Oh,
becoming naughty.
oh
Yeah.
yeah. Yes. So tell me about which
Okay.
type of problem are you facing in initial days when you have start your journey,
Oh,
when you had start your
in
journey?
initially days, I faced a lots of problem. That time I was not able to speak. Little bit I can
Okay.
could speak only 1 minute or 2 minutes just. But now I can
Okay.
speak 20 to 30 minutes without stopping. Now I have this much
Oh,
confidence I got. But that time, if
Okay.
someone comes in front of me, I could not speak. But now I don't
Okay.
care about those people. I have to speak
Yes.
only.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Speaking
I
is
don't
very
think about
important. I mean,
mistakes also.
yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
And in starting, at that time, I thought that I will make videos. I will upload them. But I thought that I can do it is very easy. But that time I come front of camera, I could not speak. It happens with me.
Yeah. Yeah. It happens everyone, not with you. Because recently I have also start my YouTube channel. So that time I was very nervous how to speak, which type of, I mean, each and every time. But yeah, I have started. And now I feel really,
Yes.
really well. I feel really
Now,
good.
now
Yes.
that I am approaching with different people, and I'm feeling good also that I am making conversation with them, and very well. I am knowing about them, how are that place they are living. So I'm knowing it is good way for improving. And those
Yes.
those
Yes.
people wants to improve, they can also make conversation. Those are my subscriber. They mail me, so I tell them. So I will make conversation with you. Because I cannot not make more conversation in a day. I have a small daughter. That's why sometimes I
Yes.
am taking
Yes.
only one session. Sometimes it
Yeah.
happens that I can take two session, but mostly I am taking one session only.
Yeah. I mean, you are multi-talented. You are, I mean, handle all the thing like baby, household work. So you are multi-talented.
If we have decided to do something, so we should do. If we think that we will do tomorrow, tomorrow will never come for
Yeah. Yeah.
anyone.
Take action. Taking action is
Yes,
very important. Don't think motion. Note.
yes.
Uh,
And that
do
time,
whatever you want.
I opened my channel. So my husband told me that when did you start? When will you start your journey? So I told tomorrow, tomorrow. But then I started. I didn't stop.
Oh yes, yeah, yeah. You're doing great job.
Yes.
Yes, you're doing great job. Yes,
Okay.
yeah. So nowadays I'm also
Okay.
in this journey. Yeah, nowadays I'm also in this journey. So I am facing a lot of problem and figure out how to overcome this type of problem, like sentence structure, pronunciation, and vocabulary. Yeah, this type of problem. How to
Yes,
build up.
vocabulary problem. All people have vocabulary problem they face
Yes, yes,
because vocabulary we cannot learn. We have to learn that we can take one or two vocabulary day, one day,
yes,
and we have to write those that we can use them in conversation. Whenever you are
yes.
making conversation, you can take your notebook and discuss about that vocabulary. Then you can remember. If you are not using them, you are not discussing, so it will not come automatically.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nowadays
So
I'm
I was
also
also,
doing this type also
yes,
doing this type of activity. I learn just two or three word, not more. And when I talk to someone, I make sure I use this type of word in my conversation, while conversation. So it's really helpful for me. Nowadays I'm doing.
yes. Okay,
Yes.
so which type problem are you facing now also?
I am facing
Are
a
you
lot of
facing?
problem. I said you know. But nowadays I
Yes.
feel really, really well when I talk to someone.
Now you
So
got
I learn
confidence.
so many, yeah, little bit,
Yes.
little bit.
I watch your first video. In that you were feeling nervous, but now you are speaking
Oh,
confidently.
oh, really? Thank you so much.
Yes.
Yes.
Now you are
I mean,
improving.
yeah. I mean, now you said the first time when we like camera conscious person, but nowadays I try to overcome.
Yes.
Yes.
It happens with all. All face this type problems, but day by day it's
Yes.
removed.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yeah. You are right. I totally agree on this point. I totally agree. Yes. Yes.
Okay. So do you have any topic? Can we discuss any topic? We can take.
Yeah. You have. You
Do
have
you
any
have
topic?
any?
So
Remember?
remember. like this type of topic.
And
Yeah, we
can we
can.
talk about online and offline shopping?
Yes, yes, yeah, we can talk. Yes,
Yes.
this is
Which
really
type
good.
shopping do you like? Online or offline, and why?
Both. I prefer both online and offline both because nowadays we are it's an era of technology, so we can use that technology and like it's good for us. But my mother always said to me, she
Don't buy.
always prefer offline shopping.
Yes.
Always she
You
said
know,
to
in
me.
that we can see by our eyes, is it good or bad? But offline we can see, and we have to, but we have to give, we can get immediately. But that if we are that ordering online, so we do not get, that time. We have to wait for that.
Yes, yes,
If suddenly we
yes,
need
yes,
anything, we cannot get.
yes,
So
yes.
it is good, both are good, but in
Yeah,
offline we can look by eyes. It is good or bad. This type cloth
yes,
is this. This type product is this. And in online, it
yes,
happens that they show something else and they send something else.
yes, yes, yes. Yeah, last to last week I ordered earpods and that quality is very very bad. Then I returned. Yeah,
Yes,
then I yes.
it happens with
So
me.
it's
But
happened.
I purchased
Yes,
online one or two things, but I did not get, that I am ordering something else and I am getting it. I didn't like that. I got that thing I ordered. I got that thing. Amazon and Flipkart. It is good. These companies are good,
yes,
but Meesho and there are other companies that are not good.
yeah, yeah.
They
So,
can they
yes,
can
Meesho is
send
not
something
good.
else. Yes,
Yeah, it's a bad product.
yes.
Yes,
So online
shops
shopping
in
good or bad or both. And in
yeah,
offline we have to go in market, then we can
yes,
purchase. But online we can get at home. We have to
yes,
not go anywhere. There is
yes,
benefit
yes,
also,
yeah,
and both things are there.
yes, yes.
Okay. So, and what are you doing practice like reading, writing, and listening? Which type of practice more you are doing?
These days, I am reading book. It's a self-help book
Okay.
called Atomic Habits. This book is really really good. So I nowadays I'm also reading this book and listening podcasts like
And
on the
English speech. That channel is also good.
yes yes
English speech.
interviews
Yes.
yes interviews
Yes.
and TED Talk speeches.
TED
Yes.
Talk. You can watch TED Talk also.
Yeah, yeah. Nowadays, I'm also watching this type of, I mean, English content, mostly English content.
Yes.
Yes. Because,
And whenever I get time, I watch that there is Sunshine channel. Did you watch sometime?
sunshine,
This
no.
is animation videos.
Okay, okay.
In that, we get after 2 3 days. So I like that. Sometime if new videos come, I always watch that.
Yeah, yes. My tutor said to me, you have to watch like animated videos, I mean, short videos. Because nowadays,
And
I'm also in, I mean, so animated videos are good for me.
that is
Like
very
short
simple.
videos. Yes, yes.
Simple. And it is short also. And we get new words in that. Phrases,
Yes,
idioms, those we can use in our conversation.
yes, yes, yes.
Yes. And do you know that meaning chasing?
Chasing, I don't know what is the meaning.
Uh, that means chasing. That's something is fishy. You can say I should chase her.
Which is
पीछा
like
करना
spelling, I
चाहिए.
mean,
Yes.
spelling.
CHASE, I think. I'm not sure,
CHA.
but I have listened that.
Okay. Yeah, when I
Chasing.
heard any
Yeah.
new word, na, so immediately I ask the meaning, the usage.
Yeah.
I ask.
Yeah. This is good way, and we can get new words. And something is fishy. Do you know that means?
Yeah, fishy. Yes,
Yes.
fishy.
And couch potato?
Yeah, I heard this news, but I don't recall this time.
Couch potato, that person watch TV and lazy type, we can say.
Oh,
That
I
lie
am
on
lazy
bed and
person.
that person. Yes,
Okay,
couch potato. We can say that I am not a couch potato. I am very active
okay,
and I wake up early. We can
oh,
say this. It looks
okay,
good. We are using. And to
okay.
add supermove also there. And chit chat, I think. Chatterbox.
Chatterbox. Oh,
Chatterbox. Chatterbox. That person is talkative.
chatterbox.
We can say chatterbox.
Oh, I'm an extrovert person.
Yes, we can say I'm not
An extro.
chatterbox. I am a chatterbox. Sometimes I'm a chatterbox. I speak more. I am a
Okay,
chatterbox. Like that.
okay,
Uh,
okay.
and talkative, it is a old. Talkative, talkative also that
Yes, yes.
speak more. And we can
Yeah,
say
yeah.
chatterbox. It looks good. It is a new.
Yeah, yeah. It's a new
Okay.
word. It's a new word. Yes.
Yes. And do you have any other words that we can use? We can learn.
Yes. Like last, it's an idiom called. It's written in the star. You know about,
I don't know.
which means something planned. Yeah. I mean,
That
it's written in the star. That's why we
I am
speak to
over
each
the
other.
moon. Over the moon.
I'm
I
very,
am over the moon.
which means
Yes.
very happy.
Yes. I am exhausted.
Very tired.
Yes.
Which means yes, yeah.
And there are many meanings. Idioms. It looks good if we are using idioms.
Yes, yes. It's like a
Idiom.
little bit of
Yes.
high quality. Yeah. So nowadays
Yes.
I'm also learning
We can say
idioms,
English
phrases.
learning is a piece of cake for me.
Yeah.
Yeah. It is very
But it's
simple.
not
Piece of
piece
cake.
of cake for me. But it's not piece of cake for me nowadays. But I
Yes.
try.
We can
I
say rocket
try.
science. You can say rocket science. English is a rocket science for me. That is tough. We can say rocket science. If that is, simple,
Oh,
we can say it is not a rocket science. We can do easily. Yeah.
okay. Okay.
Okay. There are many. I am
So
not
I mean,
getting more time for learning. So I'm getting little bit time.
oh, oh
That's
yeah,
why
you are
I'm not
already
getting
busy.
more.
Yes, yes, yes. So
Yes.
it's
I
one
have.
thirty in my class. 1:30.
Yes.
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 So yeah,
Do you have
yeah. It
any
was
other
a
session?
nice talk with you.
Do
Yes,
you have
yes.
any other session?
Yeah, with tutors,
Okay.
because I said you not. I take class. I take
Yes,
class with
that is
you.
very important. That is paid. You should not leave this
No, no, no.
opportunity.
But
Okay,
I
bye bye.
talk to. No, no, no. But I talk to later. Yes. Yeah, you're such a
Okay.
nice person. I learned so many of new things with this session. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
It is a good.
Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Yes.
Bye bye.
Yes.
It was a
Okay.
nice conversation with you.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Okay.